drop that. That's the first blood.
And the strategy working for Kevin Peterson and the England champions was looking to make some room. Nika saw him, kept it away from his hitting zone, and really well judged by Kevin O'Brien there. Kamran Akmal goes back to the hut, scoring 11, 27 for 1.
Peterson should be happy. He's picked up a wicket. What about this one? Same man, catching another one. Both openers back in the hut.
This is really good bowling and great execution of plans as well for Kamran Akmal, and now the danger man Sharjeel as well. Two men protecting the boundary on the onside, forced him to play that shot, and another well-judged catch by Kevin O'Brien. Sharjeel 13 of 11, 28 for 2.